totally freaking out right now. My E46 is not opening and I'm fearing the worst. It looks like I left the GPS plugged in. All right, no worries, we'll unlock it. The heck? You kidding me? This doesn't go either way. It's totally dead. And the door is like locked. It must be electronic. What are we gonna do? Take a deep breath. All right, we got this. Go to the trunk. Doesn't work that way. All right, it's open. In the back corner down here is where your battery is. I'm gonna lift up the box. You might have some screws here and here. These are gone already. And there's your battery. Go ahead, jump start, put in a booster. Let's see what happens. Plug your booster in. Negative. Positive is on the red side. All right, and mine uses I have a lithium polymer battery here. It's very compact. All right, plug it in. Hey, look at that, the dome light's on already. That's a good sign. See that? A moment of truth, and survey says, yes, we're in. Plug this silly GPS and see if it starts. Yeah, buddy. There you go. This is how you get back started and back on the road. Either jumper cables or a booster pack. And good luck, everybody. All right, so it started. This is awesome. But here's the deal. It's gonna die soon if you don't drive it and recharge your battery for a bit. If you want to just get it home and put it on a charger, that's one thing. Or you can go for a nice long drive. I gotta go drive for 20 minutes, so I'm not worried about it. I think that should be enough to get it started again, and then the 20-minute drive back. So good luck. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share, and I hope that you are able to get yours going as easy as I did. Don't freak out. It's not the end of the world.